think?
Whoops. It's...
Are you on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
My camera lady over there, Patricia Gutierrez. Thank you so much for filming this. I'd like to thank Jimmy Decresenzo for writing this song many years ago. The guy's way ahead of his time. I hope somebody picks this up and puts it out there. The rain is like the COVID-19 virus to me of this song, so I sent it out to the world. God bless us all. When clouds come overhead, no, I will not fret. I'll see it through. There will come a day the sun will shine my way, and I'll know my time is through. Let it rain, let it pour like the Dickens, let it rain, oh Lord. I'll be out there picking holes in. Let it rain. Well, here's to all my friends and relations. Come on by. You don't need a special invitation, just a cloud in the sky. Let it rain. Oh, like the Dickens, let it rain, oh Lord. I'll be out there picking all the same. Let it rain. Well, after the rain, the air is so sweet, and it feels so good. 'Cause after the pain, the healing is complete, just like I prayed it would be. Let it rain, oh Lord, let it rain. I'll be out there picking all the same. Let it rain. Sing it with me, come on. Let it rain.